Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my morning routine. I have a new addition to my morning routines now. As you guys can see, I have a newborn. So welcome to my morning routine with a newborn. So before we jump into today's video, I want to put you guys onto this online course that I recently completed. This is a comprehensive guide to the benefits of meditation by a writer called Jason Coombs. So before I completed this guide, I literally didn't even understand how beneficial meditation really is for your physical health and also your mental health. Now, this guide is super detailed, you guys. It's so informative. It's got different sections that help you understand things such as the physical and mental health benefits, and also just the definitions, just for you to get a really good overview of meditation itself. And I love the fact that it has a conclusion at the end of it. And another thing that I found myself doing as well is reviewing certain sections. You can literally just go back to certain sections and read them, and I tell you, I definitely did that a few times. So you can purchase his guide on his website. I'm gonna have the link in the video description, so once you click on this link, it will take you to the course directly. So this has become such a beneficial part of my morning routine. As you guys can see, I love to take notes after each section. So this was actually me completing the last section of the course, and I was just so happy. I did end up reviewing all the other sections as well, because like I said to you guys, it's so informative. And I feel like this guide came to me at such a perfect time. Of course, being postpartum, you are exposed to postpartum stress, postpartum depression, but this guide has really taken me through ways to regulate my stress levels and just to be mindful and just to have that emotional regulation. I feel like this guide has definitely guided me through that. So you guys, like I said, the link is going to be in my video description. I highly recommend this course. If you have any questions, I also have his social media in my bio. But yeah, so let's jump right into today's video. So most mornings, my daughter usually wakes up around 8 a.m, 8:15. That's on a good morning. So during this time, I feed her and I burp her and do the whole shazam. And the thing that I probably found the most helpful is keeping her awake for like an hour. So what I do is I just play with her until she starts to look a little bit sleepy. Her wake windows at the moment are from an hour to 2 hours. So this is the time where we just play a little bit, and then she eventually starts to look a bit sleepy, and then I put her down for a nap. Now, this first nap is literally where I get most of my stuff done, you guys. So sometimes she sleeps for a good hour or hour and a half. So this way I managed to get my self-care done, cleaning, bits and bobs that I need to do around the house. So this is the start of my shower routine. So I'm starting off obviously with brushing my teeth. Just basic oral hygiene is what I do. And then when it comes to my shower routine, it looks a lot different because it's a lot shorter. I don't really have the time anymore to do like a proper deep shower routine like I used to do. I only do this probably on the weekends, just because that's when my husband's around, and it just makes things a lot easier for me. But yeah, you guys, I did want to talk about this kojic acid bar soap firstly. Now, this has been the key to brightening my post-pregnancy body hyperpigmentation. I had such bad darkness around my neck, my shoulders, and on my underarms, and also my belly. This has been helping me loads. So this paired with proper exfoliation will do really great for body hyperpigmentation, you guys. So for my facial routine, I'm using this cleanser. I'll have the link in my bio because this is actually a new cleanser that I've purchased. And the reason why I'm using this cleanser is because it's good for acne, because it's got tea tree oil in it, and tea tree oil is really great at just basically attacking those spots, if you guys didn't know. So it's been kind of helping me keep my skin clear. But I still do recommend CeraVe as the go-to brand for acne and all good things. So I still use my body scrubs. I still think it's very important to exfoliate your body every single day. So this is what I've been using just to keep my skin nice and soft. This one especially is great because it's infused with an oil, and these oils are what you need to basically keep your skin nice and moisturized as it locks in that moisture. Because boy, when I tell you, pregnancy has dried out my skin. So now when it comes to a body lotion, I'm using this vitamin C brightening body lotion from Clinicals. I think it's called Advanced Clinicals actually, and this is really great again for brightening your skin, brightening any kind of body hyperpigmentation you might struggle with. Vitamin C, of course, is well known at targeting hyperpigmentation, so yeah, this has been really great. This paired with kojic acid soap has been fantastic. I'm also applying bio oil to my skin. Bio oil again is great for pigmentation. I use this mainly on my stretch marks though, and that's my body care done. Now for my face, I'm using a vitamin C toner. This is from Pixie Skin Treats, I think that's what it's called, and this is great again. Vitamin C is basically my staple ingredient at the moment because I am struggling with like blemishes, dark spots. Now this, you guys, is fantastic. This product, this niacinamide that is from Anua, I think that's how you pronounce this brand. Great. This is not sponsored, by the way, you guys. This is just something that I have been loving. Now I'm gonna review it properly when I've been using it for a good 6 weeks, just so you guys can see before and after. But when I tell you, this is some great stuff. This is how my skin is currently looking. I do have a few like spots and I do have blemishes, but yeah, this has been kind of helping keep control of those things. Now, as a face moisturizer, I'm using the same vitamin C that I used on my body, this one from Advanced Clinicals. And the reason being is it's just because it is fine to use on your face. I've not reacted to it. I've got quite sensitive skin and it's been fine. I just didn't want to overcomplicate my skincare routine. So this is basically my 3-step routine currently at the moment. And then I go in with some roll-on deodorant and then also my perfume. So I spray my body and then I also spray the clothes I'm wearing that day. And this is the outfit for the day. Yeah, I just thought I'd insert a little clip. So for my basic like makeup maintenance or whatever, I like to do my eyebrows. I feel like I do my eyebrows every single day. It doesn't take me that long anymore just because I do it every single day, you guys. You probably see it on my videos, my eyebrows. I try to just make sure I do them. This is just something that makes me feel good about myself. It's been helping me, especially like after having a baby, just making sure that I just do little things that I like doing my edges and doing my eyebrows, and that is it. That's my basic like face done. So all of this took me about 30 minutes and baby is still sleeping. So at this point I just make sure like she's basically all right and she's still sleeping. I mean, I am in the same room anyway, but yeah, so she's still sleeping. So I went ahead and basically just finished off everything else that I needed to do. So when it comes to my hair, I basically just keep it in a bun. I know that's so boring and stuff, but I keep it in a bun because she's at that age now where she can like grab things, and you guys know about that baby grip, and I'm not taking any chances. So I usually just keep my hair in this bun, and it's basically how I'm styled for the day. Okay, so all in all, this was probably 45 minutes to an hour, I would say. So she's up now. So this was an hour nap, which is a pretty good nap. So I use this time to basically do the bed whilst I talk to her and everything. I just make sure I do my bed, because if I don't do my bed, I just keep thinking about it. So yeah, once the bed is done, now we basically start our day with baby. She's literally such a happy baby in the mornings, you guys. So once she's up, I need to keep her up for a good hour to 2 hours again, because her wake windows, like I mentioned, are between 1 hour and 2 hours before her next nap. So during this time, I put her in her little bouncer thing and put something for her to watch, something that's quite like interactive. So I think at this point it was like Mickey Mouse. I'm not too sure, but that's what she was watching. And while she watches, I clean the living room. So she's in the room with me watching her cartoons, and this is the chance that I get to basically clean from last night. Now I try to do this basically every single day, try and make sure that I clean in the mornings, just because I feel like when you're in a clean space, one, is very healthy for your child, and two, and it just kind of like sets the tone for the day. I like to just be in a clean space, so this part to me is so important. I just really do enjoy cleaning in general, I guess. But yeah, this doesn't take me very long at all, actually. You know, a good 10 minutes and I'm basically done in the living room before I head on downstairs. So I also like to pack her little, I don't know if this is called a diaper bag, I'm not too sure, but basically this is where I store everything that I need in each room, if that makes sense. So I usually put like nappies in there. I put some of her like ready-made formula milk in there as well. What else? This Infocol, which is basically good for babies that have colic or like gassy babies. And what else? Vaseline, that's mainly for me, and basically water for me as well. And I just carry this bag around the room with me. I also put her dummies in there as well, you guys, and wipes. And this is just so helpful because you don't have to carry all these things separately in each room. You can literally just pick up the bag and go. So I still do take my vitamins and my supplements and stuff. So I still take my ashwagandha. This is just so great. Probiotics as well, and iron tablets. Iron tablets mainly for energy because I am tired without them, and I think this is because obviously low iron causes this. So yeah, I try to take these supplements every single day. So now I basically get her ready for her bath. So I take her out the bouncer and get her all ready. She loves it in the bath, you guys. She's at that stage now where she loves the water. So I use baby Aveeno products for this because that's what doesn't make her react, and it's just good for the baby. So after her bath, we basically play for a little bit, and then I will feed her because at this point, after feeding, she'll start to get a little bit tired, and then that's when I basically put her down for her second nap. So after feeding, she gets really sleepy. So I just make sure I put her down for a nap so that she's not overtired, because I read somewhere that an overtired baby and an undertired baby is not a good combination. Like neither one of those things are good. So I make sure that she naps like a good amount of time during the day. And once she is down for her nap, I basically start sorting out breakfast. So I go downstairs quickly and I just make the quickest breakfast ever, because I feel like once you have a baby, everything you do has to be quick because you just don't know when they're gonna wake up. So yeah, I just make coffee because I need the energy, and then I just have cereal, and that is basically my breakfast done for the morning. So as I was eating, she basically woke up. So I think it was the sound of the TV accidentally turned on. So as you can tell, I don't know if you guys can tell, she's still tired. So I just basically tried to make her fall asleep again, which was pretty easy to do. She fell asleep within like 2 minutes. So now I needed to basically sterilize her bottles. This is super quick. I undo the bottles, basically just break them down, and I put boiling water in the pot and I boil the bottles. And this is my method of sterilizing. I learned this on TikTok actually, and it's been working pretty well for me. But you can also sterilize some of these MAM bottles in the microwave, I believe. But yeah, I just find it easier just to do it all in one massive pot like this. So I basically boil them for 10 minutes and then I remove the water and let them cool down. So yeah, this is how I sterilize her bottles. And then after that, I quickly do her laundry. So if you guys didn't know, when you have a baby, you basically do laundry every single day because she wears like up to like 4 outfits, while my baby can go through like 4 outfits in a day. So yeah, I'm basically doing laundry every single day. And as you guys can see, I've actually changed my outfit. I'm now wearing an orange dress, and the reason is because she vomited a little bit on me. So yeah, that's another thing. When you have a baby, you are constantly changing your outfits. So yeah, so laundry time, and this doesn't take me long at all because her clothes are so little, so this doesn't take too long. And she's literally still peacefully sleeping. So yeah, I ran downstairs quickly again and took out the bottles because it had been 10 minutes at this point, and let them dry. So after they had dried, I went back upstairs and I just basically just chilled out till she woke up. So I'm watching this new TV show that I wanted to put you guys onto called Fallout. absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10 if anyone's looking for a show to watch. And she actually woke up at this point, so we watched it together. And she's just usually so settled when she wakes up, so it makes it super easy. So yeah guys, that's my morning routine with my little baby. Thank you so much for watching my video. Check my description for any links that you guys might need, product links or anything like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I will catch you on my next video. Bye.